Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to guide strangers into becoming paying customers automatically? In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple marketing funnel using EngageBay's free plan. Think of a funnel in 3 stages: awareness, engagement, and conversion. First, awareness. Use EngageBay's free forms or pop-ups on your website to capture emails. Offer a lead magnet like a free guide or discount code. Everyone who signs up becomes a new contact in your CRM, tagged as newsletter subscriber. Now, engagement. Set up an automation workflow. The trigger is contact added to list newsletter subscribers. The first action, immediately send a welcome email with your freebie. Add a delay of 2 days, then send a second email that shares a helpful blog post or customer story. Add another delay, then send a third email highlighting your product's key benefit. Finally, conversion. After they've engaged with your emails, use lead scoring. If they click a link to your pricing page, their score increases. Create a segment for contacts with a high lead score. Now, manually or with a final automation, send them a special offer or invite them to a demo. And that's it. You've built a set it and forget it funnel that nurtures leads toward a sale using only free tools. If you build a funnel, let me know what your lead magnet is in the comments. See you in the next one.